Rust may seem like the end of the road, but it's possible to save those oxidized objects. Once you learn how to remove rust, you will be able to make that hammer or expensive chef's knife look as good as new. There are a number of different methods for removing rust, and many of these use items you already have in your kitchen. If you are looking for something to remove rust from large objects around your house, like patio furniture, barbecue grills, tools, lawnmowers, bikes, iron railings, mailboxes, lampposts, etc., you can also turn to a heavy-duty solution like naval jelly. To use naval jelly, you spray or paint the solution on the rusted object. The rust dissolves in 5 to 10 minutes. Note, this is only for objects with thick metals, such as those listed above. It should never be used on thin metals or stainless steel. In addition to the above DIY methods, you can remove rust from metal with a chemical solution like Metal Glow. It's formulated for safe use on knives, silverware, cookware, and even jewelry. When cleaning your knives, make sure to rub Metal Glow along the grain pattern to avoid scratching the metal. Citric acid, which can be found in health food stores and in the baking aisle of some supermarkets, works like a charm when it comes to removing rust, but it will also remove paint and other coatings, so it may not be the best method for all pieces. Add 3 tablespoons of citric acid to a bowl of hot water and submerge your rusty metal overnight. The next day, scrub off the freshly dissolved rust. You heard us right, a potato. All potatoes contain oxalic acid, which is a key ingredient in many cleaning products. Oxalic acid dissolves rust and the 4 pieces of metal without detailing or relief work. You can use regular dish soap and a potato to scrub rust away. Slice a potato in half, cover the cut section with dish soap and sprinkle salt or baking soda onto the potato. Salt/baking soda acts as a mild abrasive to help scrub the rust off as it dissolves. Rub the rusted area with a potato to remove the rust. Rinse and dry well. This technique combines the acidity of the lemon with the abrasiveness of the salt to tackle small rust spots. Cover the rusted areas with salt and then squeeze lemon juice over the layer of salt. Let the salt and lemon texture sit for about 2 hours. Scrub the object with a lemon rin, or if the spots are stubborn, use steel wool or a wire brush. Rinse off the lemon, salt and rust residue and dry thoroughly. Baking soda works well on items with light rust stains. It also works well on items made out of thin metal. Mix water and baking soda into a thick paste and spread the paste all over the metal, making sure that rusty spots are well covered. Let the paste sit on the object for an hour or so. Use steel wool or a wire brush to score the object and remove the rust. Rinse the paste off with water and dry thoroughly. Thanks for watching. Until next time.